Today, we'll be comparing the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Nissan Sentra, and Kia Forte in the updated side impact crash test. This new test is conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and replicates a severe T-bone collision scenario. Unfortunately, the Kia Forte comes in last place, receiving a poor rating, the lowest possible. The passenger compartment structure was significantly compromised, and the driver dummy's head, chest, and pelvis experienced high crash forces. The driver's head also made hard contact with the window sill, a very serious event. The Nissan Sentra takes third place, receiving an acceptable rating, the second highest rating. Although the passenger compartment remains stable and there are no high injury forces, like the Kia, the driver dummy's head also struck the window sill hard. The Toyota Corolla takes second place, also receiving an acceptable rating. While the passenger compartment remains stable and dummy movements are well controlled, higher crash forces were recorded in the driver dummy's pelvis. In first place is the Honda Civic, also receiving an acceptable rating. The passenger compartment has the least amount of intrusion of the group, and dummy movements are well controlled. However, like the Corolla, the driver's pelvis experiences higher forces. If you found this interesting, please subscribe to see more captivating videos about auto safety.